Hey everybody, it's Keto Granny, and I know it's been a while since I made a video, but I'm back and I want to talk with you all this evening about the keto diet and intermittent fasting. I have been on the keto diet and have been doing intermittent fasting also, and as you can see, I'm still losing weight. I'm still getting healthier every day, and I am enjoying this way of eating. I am so much enjoying the keto lifestyle. I'm going to talk with you with intermittent fasting and keto diet combined for weight loss. The keto diet and intermittent fasting, these are two excellent diet tools to use together to lose fat, to shed weight, and to get healthy. A lot of people think that the keto diet is like some special food that you eat, but it's not. It's simply a state that your body goes into when it's deprived of carbs. Your body goes into a state that's called ketosis, and your body starts to produce ketones in your liver, which are a byproduct. And these ketones are what your body starts to use for energy, fat. Your body will use fat directly for energy if you deprive it of carbs. And that state is called ketosis, the state of ketosis. Intermittent fasting, as I said, intermittent fasting and the keto diet are two great tools to use together to lose weight, and to lose weight rapidly and to get healthy. Intermittent fasting is an eating pattern. With intermittent fasting, you're going to go between eating and fasting, and you eat during your eating hours and you fast during your fasting hours. An example of this would be the 16 and 8 intermittent fasting pattern, which means for 16 hours you fast, and then for 8 hours you would eat during the 8-hour window. It doesn't mean that you eat for 8 hours, it means that you eat during that 8-hour windows when you will have your meals. So say for instance that you have your last meal about 7 o'clock in the evening, which I do, and I am on the 18 and 6. So that means that I fast for 18 hours, and then for 6 hours I have my meals between that eating window. So I fast from 7 in the evening until 1 o'clock p.m. the next day. That's when I have my first meal. Will be 1 o'clock tomorrow. I'll have my first meal, and then I will eat 1 or 2 meals from 1 p.m. to 7 p.m. After 7 p.m., then I'll have just my liquids until the next day. Now, when you're doing your fasting, you just want to drink beverages. If you eat any type of food or you eat anything with calories, you break your fast. Now that's the way that I do it. You eat anything with calories, basically you break your fast, or anything over 50 calories, because broth does have a little bit of calories, and you can have broth to drink. You can have tea. I'm drinking apple cider vinegar and lemon juice. I'm drinking plenty of water. So combining these two tools together, you will have rapid weight loss and you will get healthier. Intermittent fasting, it works so good because after 12 hours your glycogen stores are depleted and you start directly burning fat after 12 hours. So I intermittent fast for 18 hours. So for 12 hours I deplete my glycogen store, what's stored up, because your body saves glycogen, and it's not going to use off the glycogen. So when it gets really low, it's going to save some glycogen. It's going to switch over to the next prominent, most predominant energy source available, which will be ketones if you're on the ketogenic diet. When your body is depleted of glycogen, as I said, then it will tap into your fat storage directly, and you will be burning fat directly, because after fasting for 12 hours, your body will burn fat directly, is what it does. On the keto diet, You're going to be using fat as your primary source of energy. You're going to be eating 75% of fat, 20% protein, and 5% or less of carbs on the ketogenic diet. When your glycogen level is scarce or when it's low, then your body, it will hold on to that glycogen as much as possible, and it's going, like I said, it's going to switch over to the next most abundant source of fuel, which is going to be fat, because you're on the ketogenic diet and you're consuming high fat and little to no carbs. Your body usually burns carbohydrates as its main source of fuel. But what you're going to do is deprive your body of carbohydrates. Once you do that, then your main source of fuel for your body will become fat. It will become ketones. When you burn fat energy through ketosis, it releases a byproduct which is known as ketones, and it's what your body uses for energy when there is no glycogen. So if you don't put carbohydrates in and you're just eating your high amounts of fat and moderate protein with hardly no carbs, then your body's going to switch into ketosis much faster. You're going to burn fat for energy and not carbs, and you're going to have a great amount of energy because you're going to be getting that from your fat. Fat is a much denser calorie than other stuff. Okay. So the best way to start losing weight on with intermittent fasting and the keto diet is first you want to start by fasting. Pick a fasting plan that's going to be good for you, whether it be 12-12, 16 and 8, 18 and 6, 20 and 4, and some people and 20 and 4, 23 and 1. So pick an intermittent fasting schedule that is good for you, one that is going to be easy for you to stick with, and you can start off slowly and just work your way up. Start off with it. If it's hard for you to fast, start with 4 hours, then go to 6, 8. Work your way up until you can get to the most time for fasting. The more fasting time that you have, the more beneficial it will be to you, because your body will be burning fat for anything that is above that 12-hour glycogen storage period that your body holds on to. When it comes down to eating, like I said, you want to eat a diet that's high in fat, moderate in protein, and low to no carbohydrates. And there's plenty of foods that you can eat on the ketogenic diet. A lot of people think that when you say the ketogenic diet or the keto diet, they think that it's special foods, but it's foods that you eat basically every day, except for you're not going to have sugar, no flour, nothing made out of, just say nothing made of white bread products, and I usually just say no processed foods. You're going to have lots of vegetables. You're going to have certain fruits, not all fruits are allowed on the ketogenic diet, and you're going to have fats. Now, a lot of the fats you're going to get are going to come from your meats and oils, and you can eat steak, chicken, lamb, pork. You can have all of that. You can have coconut oil, walnut oil, butter. You can have ghee. You can have macadamia oil, coconut butter, olive oil, avocado oil. Those are some of the things that you'll be eating. You'll be eating things like asparagus, cucumber, collard greens. You can have onions, scallions, bell peppers, cauliflower, eggplant, cabbage, all of that, squash. These are all different foods that you can have on the ketogenic diet. You can also have, you're going to be eating almonds and nuts, pecans, all of those things. Now, so since today I've started on my intermittent fasting right now, I'm going to be drinking some drinks. I'm going to be drinking like some lime juice. I'm going to be drinking water. I'm going to have lemon juice, some herbal tea, a little bit of black coffee, but not so much because it's getting close to bedtime. I'm going to have a little bit of tea. So these are some of the things that you can drink and have on the ketogenic diet. As I said, the keto diet is a great diet as far as getting healthy. If you want to have rapid weight loss, try intermittent fasting and the keto diet. You will love the results, and you will be glad that you did. This is Keto Granny saying that if this video has helped you any, please subscribe to my videos, and so that you don't miss anything that I put out or the videos that I release. Also like and share. And if you have any type of questions, just ask me below in the comment section, and I will do my best to answer those questions. Again, this is Keto Granny saying have a great evening, and let's get healthy. Let's get healthy together.